Welcome to Vehicle Vibes, your go-to channel for all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be talking about the much-anticipated 2025 Yamaha Rajdoot 350. This bike is making waves in the motorcycle world, and we'll dive into its specs, features, and what makes it stand out. Stay tuned. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Yamaha Rajdoot 350 features a blend of retro and modern design, reminiscent of its iconic predecessors while sporting sleek, contemporary lines. The classic Yamaha Rajdoot styling is updated with a bold new look, giving it a unique charm that appeals to both vintage enthusiasts and modern-day riders. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Rajdoot 350 is powered by a robust 350cc engine. This power plant delivers an impressive balance of performance and efficiency. Whether you're cruising down highways or navigating city streets, the bike offers smooth acceleration and a satisfying riding experience, making it suitable for both daily commutes and long-distance trips. Power plant delivers relaxation and recovery. Technology and features. The 2025 Rajdoot 350 is packed with modern tech features. It comes equipped with a digital instrument cluster, advanced LED lighting, and a traction control system to enhance safety. The bike also integrates Bluetooth connectivity for easy access to navigation and music while riding. Comfort and ride quality. Yamaha has ensured that the Rajdoot 350 offers top-notch comfort for riders of all sizes. The suspension setup is designed for smooth handling, whether on rough roads or smooth highways. Its ergonomic design ensures that long rides remain comfortable, with a well-padded seat and adjustable handlebars. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha Rajdoot 350 combines timeless design with cutting-edge technology and superior performance. It's a motorcycle that's sure to appeal to both nostalgia lovers and modern riders alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest vehicles. Until next time, ride safe.